Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is doing something wild here. 1355 now, looking decent. I already explained in the previous video that we could be already now in the third wave here to the upside. Target would be around 1400 for that. And we might really be playing out here this bullish scenario. I had so many questions last few days, what is the reason for Bitcoin, for Ethereum to go bullish? And there doesn't always need to be a reason. I mean, what was the reason for Ethereum to move from 880, which was the June low, to 2020, right? What was the reason? There was probably no fundamental reason or any reason really, but there might have been a catalyst here and there. I don't know what this reason should be, but it's just simply a shift in market sentiment. And for me, this is now finally a good sign that we could be getting out of this range. I mean, it's only 1355. I sincerely hope everybody who is watching this channel, who was watching this channel, is prepared and is positioned. If you want to be positioned, that you are positioned, because the chances have been there. I mean, we had basically since middle of September time to position ourselves here in this support area, for a long trade, which might now finally be playing out. It's a bit too early to get all excited because the $1,400 level hasn't broken yet. Today I'm just laughing because today in the member live stream we actually talked about FOMO, how to prevent FOMO, and if we push a little bit higher, this could seriously trigger some FOMO here, especially if we see the breakout above $1,400. I did explain that all the people who expected the merge to deliver like, I don't know, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 worth in ETH, that all these people obviously lost out. We talked obviously about this bearish setup ABC to the downside. We had this target already defined. I can't remember since summer, I don't know, and we finally got into it. But the point here is that I try to make is that all these people, a lot of the people who did expect Ethereum to pump then, they might start to FOMO in if we break above the $1,400 level, and that is exactly the FOMO that might kick off then. And this is as per the Elliott Wave method, what we expect. Wave 1 to the upside here, first impulse, indicated that the trend has shifted to the upside. Wave 2 down in 3 waves, and now possibly the third wave to the upside. That is normally the FOMO wave. That is why normally a third wave is usually, not always, but usually the longest wave, because this is the FOMO wave. All the FOMO is pushing the third wave up. So let's see, we're now at 1360. I'm very pleased because all the waiting might have finally might have an end, that this wave 3 is finally starting. Now again, it's a little bit too early to be all of euphoric and everything. Bear in mind, we talked about this breakout point. It was broken, Yesterday I talked about the 1310 level, that a break above the 1310 level would bolster the idea of a suitable and fruitful long trade setup here, and that we indeed had a reversal here. So we had enough time to position ourselves. We had a long trade opportunity here in this support area, the reversal here in this one, and generally in this whole wide range. I saw a few comments, when people ask me, what should I do now? Because price has gone up, when can I get in? I usually can't help with that, because first of all, I can't tell you when to buy. But, and for me, it's too late anyway. The time for me with my personal strategy, and I talked about that in previous member live streams. I talked about that in videos. For me, the time to get in was here. It's not now anymore. It was down here at support, because now we're just too far away for support for me personally with my strategy. You might see that differently, and now I'm just waiting to let it play out. The risk of coming down lower is still not over, so the risk is not over to the downside. We have to break above the $1,400 level, because in the end, what this could be, it could just be still this ABCDE triangle, which I don't know where I did hide it here. It's something I showed you before. All of this could still just simply be an Elliott Wave triangle, but By breaking now above the previous swing high, it has become less likely. To make it work, I would have to move the wave C now here, and this would have to stay below the $1,400 level. If we break above the $1,400 level, it will invalidate the triangle. So it's already now a super stretched out triangle, if it is one. Yeah, don't really like the idea anymore of a triangle, especially with the latest pump here to the upside. It looks quite impulsive, and it sort of confirms that we are in the third wave. So at the moment, my view is, against the support level down here of the wave 2, the $1,300 level, or $1,299, we can push higher. And let's see how much more we are pushing here. Yeah, sure you're all happy now, or hopefully, because we prepared for this. Let's see how sustainable it is. Yeah, let's see how sustainable it is. Next target for the bulls would be this wave B high at 1383, and then the $1,400 level. Yeah, it's really good pace here at the moment. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, also check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups. Really good community, the Discord server, my own sort of trades, all sorts of things, a lot of additional content, plus a weekly live stream on Sunday, every Sunday, where we cover a certain topic. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.